What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today, as you guys seen in the title, I don't know why I always fucking do this every video, we are mounting up the catch can. Let me flip her. We got our catch can that came with the the aluminum block, whatever the fuck it is, that LC or LC9 or whatever the hell it is out in the shed. So I figured, you know what, we're gonna run it. Not too sure, honestly, really, about this motor. Like, yeah, it was pretty dirty inside, but it also pretty high K. So did our best to clean it up, but you know, this could help. So I was rummaging around through some junk, and I found the old bracket for it. Now I'm like, cool, but you know what? This is fucking horse shit. Hang on a second, folks. I apologize for being a shitty fucking YouTuber. I really do. It's because I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a fucking mechanic. I just figured I'd start sharing my wisdom with you guys. So, that's my fun. Anyways, I'm like, well, you know, where the fuck do you mount it? Like, do I drill a hole, you know, mount it here, and then have the lines running, right? Or I don't know, where the fuck else? Where else would I mount this thing? I'm looking. I'm like honestly looking around in this engine compartment. I'm thinking, best bet, honestly. Let me go grab the catch can. Hope you guys are doing well, by the way. Thank you guys so much for your subs, your support. I really appreciate it. I really do, especially with everything fucking up in the world, and you know, people don't care about a single dad raising two girls by himself, right? So people just don't care. They only see the end, and it's like, yeah, you know, my kids get to eat. You guys I get to build parts or put parts in my truck, but I don't get to eat. So I'm thinking of mounting it right there, actually, folks. What do you think? Should we mount it like right there, and then have it just comes off of there in and then goes out that way? Or does it mount over here? No, I can't mount it over here unless I have it up. Huh. Well, let's there. I'm all closed up. Let's get this guy in the vise and bend it. I'm gonna be cutting it, obviously, because I'm gonna need to drill 2 new holes. No big deal. So let's put it in a vise and see what's up. Alright, folks, you know, a guy figured before he put it in a vise, he might as well, you know, figure it out where he wants to bend it and give her a mark, right? But I gotta tell you, getting this fucking bolt off was a cunt. She was tight. Whew. So I'm gonna make a mark here where I want to bend it. Say about so. There, now we'll get her in a vise. Get some heat on her and bend it. We'll be back in like a microsecond. Alright, here's what I got going on so far. I heated it, bent it, drilled 2 holes, and now I'm cutting it. No, we don't have any fancy saws or fuck all or anything like that on this channel. My drill press is at my house, so I had to use a drill that was too small and then ream it out. That was fun. But we're just you know, following the line, and as soon as we're done, we'll show you what it looks like. I can't wait. This is pretty damn cool. Well, guys, here it is. And it's all dimpled, but you won't see any of that. I filed her down. You can't really, there we go, can't really tell. Fucking light. But yeah, she's a little crooked and shit like that, but it'll work. So let's mount it to the catch can and see how it fits before we take it all apart and paint it. Alright guys, there it is. It fits actually really well. I have it angled because it's got to go there to that. See how the hose comes down and then that way and then straight into the back of the valve cover? Well, that hose is supposed to come out of there into here and then from here into right here. So that'll help. Cool thing about it is it's got a little, you know, dipstick. So, which I really enjoy. And the best part about it is to change it or to dump it. It's like right here. You know what I mean? Boop. This unscrews and then it comes off. But I'm going to put it back up. So tighten her up. There we go. So the only thing I am worried a little bit about is the placement with the exhaust. But with it hanging off the back of the AC pump like that, I think she'll work pretty damn well. What do you guys think? So I'm going to take this apart, paint it, and then while the paint's drying, you know, go home, make supper, all that stuff. And then when I get paid here tomorrow or the next day, I can't remember which, I'm gonna get the hose and the clamps and we're gonna finish it off. Tomorrow as well, big announcement. I don't know if you guys have heard this in the automotive industry. Motion Raceworks is now shipping to Canada. Okay, that's fucking huge. So I'm ordering a flannel. Boy needs a flannel, right? I love my flannel, so I'm gonna order one of theirs. So stay tuned for that, and a plethora of other parts of theirs that I plan on getting. Let me move the ladder. Right, don't mind this. I was cleaning up the hoses and stuff. You know, tightening stuff up, clamping stuff down, getting, you know, wiping stuff up a bit, making it look kind of pretty-ish a bit. Not as shitty. Half as shitty. How about? Steam port kit. I want one of the Motion Raceworks 4-port steam port kits. So we might end up getting one of them. But of course the motor will run before that. It's on a list. I'm going to be making a list of stuff to do to it after it's already running and we drive it for a bit, right? Because we're going to have to save up. Shit's not cheap these days. So, alright guys, but I'm going to end this segment of the video. I will be back with the rest of it as soon as I get the rest of the parts to finish it. Stay tuned, Buck. See you then. I don't know. Don't pull it too hard until I see you then. I don't know. Painted. Installed. Now time for the hoses. Alright, it's the next day. It's fucking snowing out. Another storm coming. And we got what we needed. Got ourselves some hose. Some hose clamps. I got a piece here that goes to, I think it's in here. This guy here. So we'll see how that fits. And I got myself a filter, just a Fram for now. I think that's the right number. Whatever. It's only on there just so I can pour some oil in it and then get a ratchet on the crank and turn it over and try to pump some juice through it before we start it and all that shit. So, which I'm not going to show you because you guys don't want to see me fucking, you know, ratcheting on this thing for hours. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to crawl up there and get that hose out and get this other one installed. And then we'll end up the video. Alright guys, as you can see, there we go. We got the catch can installed, all plumbed up. This is how I'm doing it. Comment down below, what do you think? You think Is this the proper way, right? It comes from the head into here, and then out, back in the intake, I believe, right? And then do I have to do one for over here? It goes from here to here? Comment down below, because if I do, well, wouldn't be too hard for me to make one. Make a bracket that comes off of like here, or like, see, there's a piece of a thing back here, see? I could put a piece on, and a little bit of a jam nut, and have another catch can sitting right here, and then boop, boop, in and out. But I don't know. I'm new to the world of fuel injection like this, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing, so yeah, the only reason I put a catch can on it is because the one motor came with one. Now that I did, I'm glad I did, actually. So, and I've got, let me move this. I've got the hose here for the booster, just off right now, because I'm going to be working on the fuel lines pretty soon. As you can see, I got the 2 lines there in the blue tape, then they go to these 2 lines here. So, and I've already got, well, I haven't ordered them yet, but I've got all the info on what I need to get to do that. I was going to, where is it? The fuck did it go? Did I lose all that hose I just bought? Where did it go, folks? I'm looking for it. Maybe if I use my flashlight, I'll see something. Oh, there it is. Alright. This stuff. Right? This is what I got left over. So what I was going to do is I was going to take this and some hose clamps, right? And just... Alright, let's see. Oh, I hear sirens. And clamp it. Right? This line to there. And then this line to here. Because the ends are flared, right? It's pipe thread, so the ends are flared. It's getting louder. I hope they're not coming here. Anyways, but as you can see, there we go. It's threaded. So I'm gonna get the threaded ends and stuff to go on and make it proper. So I've got the transmission vent tube right here as well. Everything for the NOx sensors. We got everything set up back there, like we should. Cam angle sensors back there. Oil sending units back there. So there, we got that done. Whew, that wasn't that bad, actually. Looks pretty cool. Like I said, comment down below though what you guys think of running a catch can on something like this. Oh, there goes something. I've never oil catch can. I've ran them like on some of the V8s, like the old school motors and stuff, the carb jobs and stuff that I used to do. Sometimes we'd run a catch can, but like hardly ever, you know. So, well, what do you think? Comment down below. Does that work? You know what I mean? Is that gonna work? I don't know. But I know this much. I'm going home to make some fucking supper for me and the kids. See you next time, guys. Love you. God bless.